Here we have the super sweet and beautiful Eva, who I'm going to show how to get a polished and smooth style on her short blonde bob. First, we're going to prep her hair with our Forever Blonde Dramatic Repair, spraying it in every single strand to strengthen and replenish her lightened blonde hair, brushing it through to make sure that's saturated evenly. Now we're going to layer it with our Super Skinny Serum for that silky, smooth, shiny end result that we want on our blonde hair. Working it through with my fingers so that's evenly distributed from scalp through ends, and using my 413 sculpting brush to brush through. Now with our Express Iron Dry Plus Blow Dry, I'm just going to flat wrap the hair back and forth for natural movement, leaving the hair healthy and shiny. So once the hair is dry with a natural flow, I'm going to walk Eva through the other side so she can do this at home. We're going to prep the hair with our Forever Blonde, making sure to lift up the hair so that we get every strand. Brushing it through so it's evenly saturated. Now laying it with our Super Skinny Serum for that super silky, smooth finish that we want, but also sealing and protecting the hair so it dries quicker. Now again, flat wrapping the hair both ways, making sure that we brush each section back and forth for a natural movement. All we want to do is just to dry the hair. The Super Skinny Serum is going to help to control frizz. The Express Iron Complex in our blow dryer is going to leave the hair healthy and shiny. Once the hair is dry, we're going to spray each strand with hot off the press, our thermal protectant, before we go in with our Express Iron Smooth Plus. I'm just taking inch sections here and then gliding my Express Iron Smooth Plus mid-shaft through ends with that light bevel to control and polish the hair. I don't want to flatten it, I just want to polish it. That 1.25 ceramic plate is going to help me glide through the hair with ease and just polish and give it some shine. Now it's Eva's turn on the other side, making sure to brush out any tangles. We're just gonna go in now with our hot off the press to protect each strand, sealing it from any thermal styling. Now taking an inch section, gliding it with our Express Iron Smooth Plus, mid-shaft through the end, making sure that we just bevel it. We don't want to flat iron, make it stick straight. We want to smooth and polish with that natural flow. Beveling it through just to get that slight bend to accentuate that cute bob that she has. Now we're just going to switch the part for added volume and finish with a hot off the press finishing spray for a natural hold. There's Eva, chic and beautiful.